morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki Soprano. By the way, Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Welcome 2025. I hope this year will bring you joy, happiness, laughter. And I hope everyone they enjoy the year 2024. And now we are facing the year 2025. May napansin po ba kayo sa akin? And I will reveal the truth, the reason why I did not make a vlog last year. Kasi alam nyo ba, nagkasakit po ako more than a month. Yung uso ngayon na nagkaroon ng fever, flu, a headache, lahat-lahat. Nagkaroon po ako ng ubo, sipon. I have a cough, and I have a runny nose. I have my tonsillitis and everything. Sobra talaga. And hanggang ngayong 2025, ito na lang naiwan sa akin yung husky voice ko, di ba? Yung medyo paos ang tawag sa amin. This is a husky voice. Grabe, sobra. Parang na-feel ko talaga na parang this is more than pa sa COVID. Alam mo yun? Yung na-experience ko na rin yung nagkasakit na-COVID ako noon. But then, this time, itong sickness na to, I consider it more than pa sa nagka-COVID ako. Sobra talaga, guys. During yung nagkaroon ako ng tonsillitis, alam niyo ba yung something like the bone of the fish na tumutusok sa aking lalamunan. Sobrang sakit kumain, sakit uminom, grabe. And now, until this year, 2025, ang boses ko ganito pa rin. And, last year, 2024, December, I have a lot of requests. Request of, I will host the event. But then, I canceled it because of this voice. And, hanggang ngayon pa talaga, may ubo pa talaga ako ngayon. I still have a cough, but this is quite okay. Compared last year, last December, sobra talaga, guys. Ang dami ko talagang na-miss na mga event. Gawa na sa aking boses, hindi talaga maganda. And you know what? Oh my God, inuubo pa rin ako. Okay, and you know what? Welcome back again to my channel. This is Nikki Soprano. Today, I'm very excited to reveal it with you. Yung susunod nating gawan ko ng aking reaction song video. But this time, let me introduce to you the Eurovision Song Contest. This is 2025. And now, I will reveal to you kung saang bansa. So this time, guys, titingnan po natin. Let's watch the video. Wow.
Promise and continue to stand for peace.
Actually, he's the winner of Eurovision Song Contest 2024. He's the winner. Wow.
Welcome to Switzerland,
Wow.
the birthplace of the Eurovision Song Contest. In 1956, here in Switzerland, a promise was made to create an international TV show that celebrates music, friendship, and togetherness. We invite you to celebrate this promise with us next year. In a city that lives music and creativity. A city that breaks codes and where all people can feel safe and belong. A place where you can feel at home. Welcome to Switzerland.
Herzlich willkommen in Basel. Welcome to Basel!
Wow! Our next Eurovision Song Contest will held in Switzerland. Alam nyo, nasa Switzerland na kasi yung nanalo last year, the winner last year Eurovision Song Contest 2024. He is from Switzerland. So guys, ito na po ang ating next. Ito na po ang aking next na iba-vlog. Itong Eurovision Song Contest 2025. Abangan po natin guys. You know, sobra ang hirap talaga magsalita. So guys, until here, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Vicky Soprano, and click the bell notification for more updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!